Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. And today's deal is the Allure Beauty Box X Huda Beauty. I don't think I own anything from Huda Beauty, so I'm just saying I'm excited about that. So I guess they did a collab with Huda for Allure, so let's pop her open and see what's happening today. You open it up. Oh, it's black inside. Is it always black inside? It says with passion and purpose, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. Ah! She's so pretty. Oh, Huda. Don't we look alike? It's uncanny how similar she and I look. It's like we're twins. So, anyways, hold on, I might need that. This is what the bag looks like. Guys, look at this. They put my face in the box. They personalized the box for me. Do they do that for everybody or just me? They must have got this from my Instagram. So outside of the box, we have I don't know, what is this? How does it come out? Oh, it's a Huda Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it's a red color. And I'm not going to put it on, but I am going to swatch it. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, I like that. You know what? This is nice and bright. This is perfect for summer. Look at that. Let's see how long it takes to go matte. Oh, I'm so excited. This is pretty. What's the color? Alluring. Oh, so original. And this is glass too. Oh, it's so luxurious. I just realized that they named it Alluring because it's the Allure box. That's smart. I love this bag. I love it. Now, I'm going to say that I'm getting a lot of these bags, but this one is my new babe. I love the neon ones. Like the neon ones, I'm all about those. So let's just reach on in here and pull it out. And this is, what's this? Cabrow Cream Gel Brow. Wait, what's it? I've never tried this. I've been wanting to try this for... It's so precious and so tiny, baby. Oh my gosh, it's so... And this is glass too. I've been dying to try this. Wait, what? Oh, I'm so excited. What color is this though? I'm going to be honest. I don't know if I can use this color. So like cream gel brow in color with brush. Oh, I don't know what color it is though. It says number 3. Because I've used like their taupe before and that's worked in like the pencil. So, oh, I'm so excited. I've been dying to try this just because of the packaging. Oh, it's so mini and tiny. And that's a lot of product though. It's still a lot of product. So, okay, next we got a perfume. Vanilla Orchid Tonka. There's Tonka trucks in this? That's the only Tonka I know. Don't mind my self-tan stains. That smells good. Oh, I like that. Wait, do I? Oh, yeah, that's going to wear nice on me. Oh, okay, I like that. Oh, kind of. I smell it. I love sweet smells, like cotton candy, sugary smells, like the Ariana Grande cloud is like, I live for it. Oh, I have Huda lashes in Samantha. I've heard these are incredible. So, oh, this is a good box. What's this? This is the Tony Moly Intense Care. It's Snail. I searched TJ Maxx and Marshalls for snail creams. I've never found one, but now I have a mask. I watched Jamie French, I think, and she did a whole like sponsored video on like the snail cream, and she showed before and afters, and I'm going to tell you, and the difference of her skin, I was like, need that, but I'm so cheap. I can order it on Amazon, and it's like a whole set for like 27 bucks or something, but I am so cheap that that's too much. I want to find it at a discounted rate because I'm cheap. Also, we don't have a lot of money right now. We're kind of struggling, as they call it. So I can't really go out and buy it anyway. So I'm just looking for fun. And if I get another texturizing hairspray, they are the new lip gloss, you guys. We get one of these, we get 2 to 3 of these a month. And I'm sick of it. I have so many. I had 2 bottles sitting in, when I got Birchbox like 3 years ago, I used to get one of these almost every single month. And that's why I quit getting Birchbox, because I was like always getting texturizing sprays. So I have probably 6 of these that I will never probably use because I have so much hair, but I don't, maybe I will, we'll see. I'm gonna complain though. That's the only thing I am stoked about. This, I'm stoked about this. This is cool. I'm more stoked about this than I expected. And this is my favorite thing. These are my 2 favorite things out of here, but I love these as well. So we got 6 things. Only one of them I'm not too stoked about. The rest I'm like, yes. And this is, oh, if you're not familiar, Allure Beauty Box is a $15 a month beauty subscription. I will leave a link down below if you are interested in signing up. It's not an affiliate link in whatsoever. I don't make anything. I don't get special points. I don't get anything. It's just easier access for you if you would like to sign up. And next we have the Allure. You're going to want to see, oh, this is a scratch and see what's coming up next. So on the scratch and stiff, I'm sorry, my nose itches. It's like what you can get next month. And it looks like we're getting an Arno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask, Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream, something from Nuria, which I'm blind so I can't see, and then their Real Mascara. Oh, Jakey's, okay, thank you. So that's what we are going to get next month. I love that, okay, hold on. I love that Their Real Mascara. It's my top 2 mascaras are Their Real and the Buxom. If you have not tried the Buxom, so you guys, I love you all so, so much. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell because I am choosing 2 people in July and August, 2 of each month, from the comment section. And I will be mailing them a surprise package, and I will just comment on your comment and let you know. Email me your address. I want to send you something. And if you don't email me, then I'm still waiting on someone to email me their address. You know who you are, PNW. Please email me so I can mail you something. Okay, you guys. I'll see you guys all later. Bye.